The Geneva Roll Off trailer is equipped with an electric hydraulic pump and electric winch for hauling roll-off containers. When running the electric winch with no container, keep tension on the cable when winding and unwinding to prevent cable slack. When using the winch power cable control, keep power cable away to avoid pinching the power cable under the trailer and container. This trailer has two power cords and control pendants. One is for the hydraulic pump to run the hydraulics up and down, and the other for the winch cable to run the container off and on the trailer. Control the tilting position up and down to minimize your loading angle. Once the container gets to a certain height, keep the container tilted up until it's fully set into the front stops. Once the rollers hit the stops in front of the trailer, lower the tilt bed all the way down. Then the safety peg pushes up behind the rollers to keep the container locked in place. If your trailer is equipped with a tarp system, you can now run the mesh tarp over the container to secure your load. To operate the electric tarper, a rocker switch is located on the driver's side of the trailer with open and close on it. By pressing close, the tarper will go over the back of your container. Along the edges of the mesh tarp, there are eyelets used to strap down the tarp to the container. When unloading the roll-off container from the trailer, start by raising the tilt bed up via running the hydraulic pump. Tilt up at the same time you run the winch out. As your container is going off, your tilt frame is going up. When the container is getting loaded off on the ground, you should be at your full extent angle up. The container will rest on the ground. Once the container is rested on the ground, unhook the winch cable. Go to the back of the trailer and front of the container to unhook winch cable from the container. When running the cable back in, hold tension. The cable doesn't need to be fully run back in. There is a storage hook for the winch cable ring on the rear of the trailer. Pro-Tainer. It's not what you haul, it's how you haul it.